Hey, today I am going to be unboxing my Apple Watch Series 6 Gold Aluminum SE 40mm. I don't think it's going to look a whole lot different than my Series 5, but let's open it up and have a look. Alright, so here it is. This watch runs about $300, so it's actually really affordable Apple Watch. So I'm excited to open it up, check it out, and put it on my wrist. Here we have it. The band that I got is, the Cream Sport Loop. So I thought this one looked cool. So this one's not really an everyday wear for me. I will show you what band I generally have with my Apple Watch, but I just want to check it out and see what it looks like. Here. Alright, so here's the Sport Loop. I probably won't put this on at first. It's super, like, soft feeling, but I've never really used a Sport Loop a whole lot, but here it is. It's kind of a cool color. I do like the color. It's very, like, neutral, and then you have, like, the fun colors on the side, so that's cool. Now let's get to the watch. So here it is. Here it is right there. So we have the watch here. Almost feels like there's like paper on the outside of it here, like a wax paper. And here it is. Looks pretty much the same as my Series 5. Yeah, I would say it looks pretty much the same as it. Obviously it has some new features and just some little stuff that shows you all about your Apple Watch here. If you've had an Apple Watch before, you know about all this stuff. You have your charging cable here. Once again, this is the 40mm SE Gold Aluminum, and it doesn't look a whole lot different from the Series 5, which that wasn't expected for it to look different. So Series 6, and I'm gonna actually throw a band that I use on it, generally on my Apple Watches more often. This is full grain leather Apple Watch band, veg tanned. It matches perfectly with the Apple Watch, which is cool. It fits like this. And there it is. So yeah, I mean, I like the watch. It's pretty cool. It's awesome that it has new upgraded features, and that's what it looks like. I will link this band below in the description if you're interested. So this is the color that I picked out of all the rest. This is the cream color Sport Loop. And here it is. Here's the Apple Watch 6 SE. Like I said, this runs about $300, and yeah, I'm excited to use it and get to know it a little bit. Thanks for joining in with me on this unboxing. Be sure to drop a comment below and let me know what type of Apple Watch you got in the Series 6.